Welcome back to QPS Studio Tutorials. In this episode, we're going to be going over episode setup. This is the third module that you'll see in the studio. The very first thing you want to do is put in your title. This is the title name of your podcast. Then you want to enter your host name. You also want to put in the episode subject. If you don't put in an episode subject, your button here to generate a script will be grayed out, and you won't be able to do anything without putting in the episode subject. This is the episode subject matter. If you don't put anything in the episode subject, your Generate Script button will be grayed out and it will not work. You have to enter a subject. This is how AI writes the script for you. Now you're going to select your episode length. And you can see it goes from 60 seconds to 10 minutes. If you want to make a podcast longer than 10 minutes, then you have a slider. It tells you your estimated token use so you can determine how long you want your podcast to be based on your voice token plan. So the longer the podcast, the more tokens it's going to use. I usually do between 3 and 6 minute podcasts, but you choose what you want to do. For this one, I'm just going to do 3 minutes. And next you have the detailed talking points. This allows you to put in details of what you want the AI to write the script about and be as descriptive as possible. The more descriptive you are, the better the script will be. Enter your detailed talking points and separate the different points by a comma. Next, you have the Write My Own Script. When you toggle that on this button down here, will change to Write My Own Script. You'll see before that it said Generate My Script. So that's how you know that it's going to generate a script for you, or if you're going to write your own script. If you are writing your own script, when you click the Write My Script button, it will take you into the script writer. Next, you have Add a Guest. You want to enter your guest name. You want to select your guest voice. Click this to select your guest voice. And just above that, you'll see just one is co-host. If you toggle that on, it gives guest one the same amount of talk time as the host. That way, you can have 2 hosts in your podcast. And as you can see, you can add another guest, and you just click this button to add another guest and click the button again. Add another guest, you can add up to 6 guests. Last, you'll notice there's autopilot. If you turn autopilot on, it's going to automatically take you from generating your script right to the audio section. You're not going to have a chance to edit your script. I recommend leaving it off. But that's entirely up to you. If you want to make fast podcasts and you are too worried about the script, you just want to pump out content super fast, you can leave this on. Well, that's it for the setup guide. Thanks for watching QPS Studio Tutorials. Don't forget to watch the other tutorial videos, and you'll be a professional podcaster in no time. Hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Quick Podcast YouTube channel so you can get notified when we post a new tutorial or podcast episode. Thanks for watching.